Alright, let's check out what's going on with JASMY. So we have finally broken the #1 region that I talked about being, your #1 resistance. This was the 2-3 cent level. I said once we did break above this, we would be a lot more bullish, and we could definitely argue that this could potentially be the bottom region. So macro term, do bear in mind we're still in a very deep downtrend, and also the daily candle hasn't closed. So I would personally like to see the daily candle come in and close above the 2-3 cent region. Personally, I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to break out, because do bear in mind a lot of these altcoins have been having rallies in the past few days, but Bitcoin is still in this big downtrend. We have run into this a few times, had massive runs up and hit this and fallen off the table. So I would at least like to see Bitcoin break above 41.5 in the short term. I'd imagine if it was going to happen, it'd happen in the next 2 days or so. If Bitcoin is able to do that, I reckon JASMY would be closing on the 2-3 cent region and having a massive rally up. Now this rally is definitely supported with this green volume that we've got coming in, so far so good. In my opinion, this is the best JASMY's been looking in a while. Like I've been saying, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife on this, because I'd much rather miss out on the first 50%, pardon me, and buy at 2-3 cent than keep on buying the dip every time it dipped. Because do bear in mind, I mean, obviously, if you are a big JASMY fan, you have been buying since the all-time high up here at $3. I wouldn't necessarily be running in to buy every single dip. I'd be waiting for a breakout, because in the long term, if you do believe in this, the market cap is still at 109 million. It's dirt cheap. Waiting for a breakout and a retest of the 2-3 cent is definitely a sensible thing to do, in my opinion. The MFI and the RFI, the MFI and the RSI are both a little bit off the table. The MFI is extremely overextended, in my opinion. So like I said, if you do watch me, I'm a conservative trader. I'd like to see Bitcoin make a solid move above this 41.5. If we do see a break above 41.5, I could honestly see it like JASMY running up, massive amounts in like 1 day, maybe doing a 2x. I mean, it would not be off the question now once we have broken this this somewhat macro resistance. I'd probably say it's more midterm resistance. Then we could see, if we do backtest it, go sideways for a bit, something like a 70% move in like a day or two. And that is not off the table, because we have done it multiple times before. So all in all, if you are a big JASMY fan, good luck to you. Personally, for me, I'm waiting to see a retest of the 2-3 cent. If we do hold it, I would then just be waiting for Bitcoin to break 41.5. Once Bitcoin breaks 41.5, I will be entering some altcoin positions like JASMY, as it is so dirt cheap in terms of market cap, and I would be looking for these big rallies coming in the next few days. Volume is definitely supporting it. Everything is looking good, really, apart from the MFI, which is a bit overextended, which is why I'm saying in the next few days I'd like to see a push up, a slight retest, maybe take a couple of days, take its time, let the money flow drain out while we are sitting on the sidelines, and then hopefully Bitcoin breaks above 41.5 and we go on a massive rally, and then I would see JASMY potentially going up 70% in a day. So that is all I see for JASMY. Once again, if you are holding it, best of luck. This is just my opinion on the market, and yeah, cowboy out, peace.